Hello, my name is Rachel Saragusa, and I'm currently a junior at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette, majoring in exercise science. Upon graduating, I plan to attend graduate school to study physical therapy. Because physical therapy is such a competitive field, individuals pursuing that career have to work particularly harder than others. Those who put in enough time and effort to make it through PT school then have a few important decisions to make. Among those decisions include which type of setting to work in. A couple of those settings include a hospital, a clinic, and even home-based physical therapy. Each setting has its own advantages and disadvantages. To get a better insight on these, we're going to visit Dr. Chantel Aaron at Physical Therapy Advantage, a local clinic here in Lafayette.
I started out in a rehab and started working in hospitals and floating, and ultimately ended up in outpatient. Nursing homes, which I've done, outpatient therapy, inpatient, which can be in a hospital or can be in a rehab place. Rehab is more intensive, where the patients go all day to therapy, pretty much. There are nursing homes, school systems for children who are born with disabilities, and then there are also sports areas. Sure, some people like working with children, some don't. The other thing is, children usually have the type of injuries that they're not going to fully recover from. So sometimes people have a hard time dealing with seeing a kid, knowing you're going to make them a little bit better, but they might not get all the way better. So that can be depressing. Same thing with nursing home settings. You might get them where they're walking, they might be a little bit better, but because of their age, they might not get fully better. Working with sports is exciting for a lot of people, but the downside of that is a lot of pressure if you don't get the athlete back to the game. From the athlete, from their sports agents, from the managers, from the team themselves.
There you have it, some of the advantages and disadvantages of the different settings of physical therapy. Hopefully now you have an understanding of what's available to you if you're majoring in exercise science and plan on attending physical therapy school when you graduate.